Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Assalamu alaikum student. The file, culture or the environment. More about geography. Practical number 5. Here presenting globe. The geography is knowledge or study about land and sea on earth. The earth is in spherical shape, and for that particular purpose in the environment we have map boards and a globe by itself. The directress shows a globe to the child in this particular practical. The globe is a form of earth. The spherical shape of earth is in globe. This globe is having land and sea on it. The big portion of land are continents. The directress shows the child globe by moving it slowly and showing and pointing the continents. On one particular globe or the earth, we have huge portion of lands that are continents, the 7 continents. After showing or pointing these continents, the directress tells the child to find out our homeland and the piece of land where we live. Here we have Pakistan. Pakistan is in the continent of Asia. By showing continents on globe, she also deducts the sea portion. The big blue area on globe is all seas and oceans. And the huge area of lands are continents. After showing 7 continents, she is again asking where is Pakistan, the country Pakistan. The country Pakistan is having some neighboring countries, some far away countries and some nearby countries. All the borders that are just near to Pakistan's border are the neighboring countries. Continent, countries, seas, ocean, land and soil formations are being given by some particular globe. Thank you so much.